everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today we're opening up my August Bolzano bag. I'm so excited. If you do not know what Bolzano is or have not seen any of my past videos, Bolzano is a handbag subscription. They actually offer several different subscription plans. So there's something there really for everyone. They have just a handbag. You can get a handbag and accessories, and that's, I believe, is like $33.95. And now they have the Lux Package, so you can get the handbag, accessories, and then you can get some what they call purse companions, which are beauty products, and I believe I have that today to open for everyone. I'm super excited. It's possible I just have a bag, I'm not sure, but it comes in this duster bag every month. So I'm going to leave a link down below. I'm also going to leave down below how you can get a free gift with sign up. So I have a code that you use. Well, it's not really a code. You like search it on their website and add it to your cart, and it is a free $45 gift. So definitely take advantage of this if you're subscribing to Bolzano. I don't get anything from it. It's just for you guys. So like I said, they have a bunch of different options. I will leave the link, the pricing information, and how to get your free gift down below. I'm also going to link down below my 3 giveaways going on. One ends tomorrow, so definitely enter if you have not yet. But yeah, let's get started. So here's the duster bag with the purse inside. So it looks like it's a big bag this month, which I love. And there's some like paper on top. Let's see what this says. Oh, so this is about the creator and everything about that, and about the brand. So it says, Bolzano handbags and accessories are depicted by sophisticated styles, a variety of materials, leather, nylon, and vegan leather, an array of fashionable colors, luxurious feel, quality hardware, compartments, and exquisite craftsmanship. Each of our products is crafted with today's woman in mind. Bolzano handbags allows the contemporary woman to express her unique look while meeting the demands of her lifestyle. Bolzano embraces distinctive shapes, unconventional patterns, and flirts with hip details, reminding women that they can have it all. Luxury, style, elegance, and quality come together in our must-have accessories. Bolzano offers a value combined with an element of surprise, the ideal product for today's woman. Awesome. So let's get the bag out. So here is the bag. Oh my god, this is like such a pretty color. It's like an olive green. At first I thought it was gray. I love this. Oh my god, I love this so much. Can you guys tell on camera the color? I think I can see in the viewfinder. This color is so unique and beautiful. I love this. So there's the handles on top. On the bottom of the bag, they have something there so you can just like place it easily. So it is zippered. Let's get that open. And there's like button closures on each side too. So there's like 2 side compartments and then a middle compartment. This is so awesome. Oh, and here is a little decal that comes on the bag that has the Bolzano logo. I love the color of this. And there's a sheet in here, let's see. It says, meet this month's bag, curated especially for you. Congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. This month we've chosen our Eleonora bag especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $195. Eleonora, sorry if I'm saying that wrong, is part of our new summer collection. It comes in shell pink, fern, powder blue, and black. What color do you think this is then? Fern? So it says, what we love about this bag, it's sleek shape, minimalistic hardware, multiple internal compartments, convenient purse feet, crossbody strap, signature Bolzano logo, and tubular handles. So this is the sheet with all the information. This is so cute. And then on the inside is where, wow, this is so spacious by the way, but that is where all the rest of the items are. So here are the purse companions, so like the beauty products. Oh, and here's the strap, so you can have a crossbody strap on it as well, and you can just easily clip this on, so that is super convenient. Or you have the tubular handles, like they said. Let me get this plastic off. This is so cute. I'm so glad I got this color. I saw, I think She Crafty, she got the like shell pink one. That was still really cute, but this is definitely more like my type of color, and I think this is perfect for fall. I'm so pumped about this. But so we also have some accessories. You get 2 to 3 accessories every month. Some dust kits. Here's that as well. So before I show you that, I just want to see everything that's inside. So There is a zipped pocket on the inside along with some like open pockets, 2 of them on the other side. So you can put like your phone and keys and stuff in there. And then like I said, there's just 2 compartments there by button closure. So there's 3 different compartments in here, multiple pockets. So this is super awesome. And it's big, but it's not like too huge, and you can fit so much in here. I love this. So let's move on to the accessories. So first I'll open this bag. It looks like we have maybe a bracelet and a necklace in there. Let's see. And they always say 2 to 3 accessories, but in my experience I've always gotten 3, so that's super great. Ooh, this is cute. I love the arrow design. So here is the bracelet. Let me put on, maybe you'll be able to see it. So this can slip onto anyone's wrist, which is great. And that is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see. This is super cute. I love this. Let's see, does the necklace match? Oops, it's a little tangled. I'll get that untangled in just a moment. But this is a layered necklace. So there's 3 layers with little triangles. So the smallest one is on top. And then here are the other 2. So I'll just detangle that in a second. But this is super cute, and it goes with the bracelet. So awesome. I love layered necklaces like that. And then our 3rd accessory looks like it's another bracelet, like a cuff. Pretty. And you can wear this together if you want. So here is the cuff bracelet, or both the bracelets together. Super cute. Awesome. So now let's move on to the purse companions bag. So it says something on here. It says, give your eyes a treat, collagen eye mask. Okay, so there's some information here that must come inside. It says a collagen eye mask relieves fatigued eyes, hydrates and moisturizes the area around the eyes, reduces bags under your eyes and puffiness, plus helps to expel harmful toxins and free radicals. So there's information on the outside. Let's get this wrapping off. And everything is in this bag that has like one of those drawstring, not drawstring, what am I talking about? Like pull tab. I'm not sure the technical name of that. So you can reuse this bag too, which is awesome. Usually they don't come in bags like this. This is super nice. Oh my God. I'm excited. There's several things in here that look so good. Wow, you guys, there are 6 things in here total. So the first is a little mirror. I could have used this. I just filmed like this eye look. Oh my God, it's magnified too. So there is a mirror in here. It's like a wooden handle. I actually don't have one like this, so this is super convenient, and it's magnetized so I could see closer up. So if I'm doing like my eye look or something, this is great. And there's things to go with this for making an eye look. There are 3 different eyeshadow singles. These are all by Desi. We've gotten something by them before. So they say just like the shadow names are numbers, like eyeshadow number 37. Like a pretty like red color. And then eyeshadow number 34. This is like a taupe shade. And the last one, eyeshadow number 2. There's some tape on here to use it to hold in the bag. This is like a silver type shade, like maybe like a champagne. Awesome, and it comes with a blending brush, it looks like. Let's get this out. All right, so it doesn't say the company or anything on here, but here is the brush. Super awesome. So you can put your shadows on with the brush using the mirror, and like you can put these eye masks on underneath your eyes to help with any fallout and just to get an eye mask in while you're doing your eye makeup. That is so awesome. So let's see, what does this brush feel like? Oh, it feels nice. Like I don't know what the brand is, but it doesn't feel cheap and there's no like hairs coming out. I'll definitely use this, and these shadows are really pretty. I'm gonna have to look and see if I have anything in my collection like these, but these are definitely like wearable, nice shades. So cool. So here are the shadows. So I think this might be the best like purse companions month. So we got 3 shadows, a blending brush, a mirror, and an eye mask. And then the purse is seriously like the best. But first, recap of the jewelry. Pretty cute month. I like the arrow design. And this bag is just gorgeous. I love this color. I need to Google. I'm like, is this the color fern? This is definitely not black. And it just feels really nice and good quality. Like, even though it's made out of vegan material, which I'm happy with since I don't use real leather, this like subscription is perfect for me. It's so spacious, such good quality. I've gotten this subscription for a long time now, and all the bags are like very durable and good quality. And seriously, just for the bag, well, for the bag and accessories, it's what, like $33.95, and then if you get the purse companions too, I believe it's $43.95. So just the bag itself, I think it's like $29.99 or something like that. Like, it's so affordable, and they said this is $195. This is so cute. I think I'll wear it like this and not the crossbody, like with the strap, but it's nice that there's this option. So yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts. Do you guys like this bag? If you want to see other bags that I've gotten in the past, I've gotten a lot now. I have a Bolzano playlist, so I always link that down below in my videos. So if you want to check those out to see my past bags, I seriously love all of them, but I think this might be my favorite, and the color is just so perfect for upcoming fall, and like it's an everyday type bag, so you can fit so much in it. Like, so cute. Yes. I love it. So you guys have to let me know your thoughts. Do you like my bag this month? Do you guys get the subscription? What did you get? Like, I wonder if we all got this bag this month, because I know, like, I've watched some of my friends on YouTube unbox in the past, and we've gotten totally different bags. But the only other video I've watched this month was Tracy from She Crafty, and she got the same bag but in a different color. So yeah, did we all get this month? Definitely let me know if you have some sort of clue about that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!